Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm filming another new project video, and that's because some of the buttons have slightly changed in FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to select the New Project button in the bottom right corner, which is going to open up my New Project menu. I'm going to give the project a name. In this case, I'm going to call mine New Project Video. I know, very original. And then my distance unit, I'm going to set to meter, as I am a warm-blooded Canadian. My coordinate system, I so happen to be in UTM zone 83-11. Now, if you're not in that zone and you're in a different zone, what you're going to want to do is click on the catalog option there to look at all your available coordinate systems and choose the one that is most applicable to your area. The next thing I'm going to set here is my vertical system. In this case, I'm going to be using a geoid file of HT2 for Alberta, as that is where I'm located at the moment of this video. I can also, if I want to use something other than the ellipsoidal, click the catalog option and go download the one for my area. So if you're in the US, you might want the geoid 12B, you may want CGG 2013, and if you're in Canada and if you're somewhere else in the world, you may have something entirely different that you'd want to use instead of the ellipsoid. In my case though, as I said, I'm going to stick with HT2. The next thing I can select is my code list. So if I have a code list with a bunch of codes that I want to use, I can select it from this list. Just make sure you have it saved to your FieldGenius project folder. I also have the option of choosing a feature list. Now, I'm not going to use any features, but you can select it from that dropdown. Once I hit create here, it's going to create my new project and I'm ready to begin surveying. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a new project within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help me out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. Visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.